All right, welcome back, guys, to another video. I'm here with Tiffany, who you may recognize.
I'm back.
Yep, we're here in her apartment. We're actually getting ready to leave for a little girls' night getaway.
We're going to be going to a getaway house. It is in Grand Junction, Michigan. But when you look up the location on their website, they advertise it as a Chicago website.
Yeah, so when you go to the Getaway House website, what are we considered, the Midwest?
Midwest.
Yeah, shown as a getaway for Chicago, but it is located in Michigan, in Grand Junction. So we're going there tonight. They do give you the address of where it's located, but they don't give you like the cabin you're staying in or the key code until an hour before check-in. So it's 2 o'clock right now. We can check in at 3, and we actually just got the information.
And also, for people that don't know where Grand Junction is, it's about 20-minute drive from South Haven, so on the lakeshore, Lake Michigan side.
Like, I don't know, is it considered a tiny house or a cabin?
It's going to be a tiny house. It looks like almost like a shipping container.
Yeah, like a box, like kind of like a box. And it's got like the big window. But we'll show you guys, and I'm not going to do the tour in here, but I'll link the tour to the actual cabin or tiny house that we're staying in. But then in this video, you'll see our stay and what we get up to. So,
And also, just for other people real quick, there's no service. There's supposed to be no service. There's no Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi. They said there's
no TV.
No,
it's a good way to
no
disconnect.
cell service.
Like,
I think they advertise they actually have like little boxes you can lock your phone away in, which I'm not gonna do because I want to take photos. But but yeah, we'll show you all of that when we get there. So we're gonna take off, and yeah,
we'll see you soon.
Yeah, bye. Alright guys, so we made it. You can see a little bit here behind us.
Yay!
Don't want to show too much because we're doing a separate tour, which we'll link below. But I did want to show you, they left us a cute little note. And then they give you a little box that you can put your cell phones in if you want to be completely, what would you call it, like off grid or unreachable or whatever.
Disconnect.
Yeah, and then they also gave us a s'more kit. Got some sticks, and I'm assuming there's marshmallows and chocolate in here. We got the one with 2 beds.
You're not supposed to be showing that.
Oh yeah. But we did. We got the one with 2 beds, and yes, so make sure you check out the tour video to see it. Oh, and one other thing. They also have this, so if you want to get firewood here, it's $6.50. One that we just got at the gas station, which was what, like a mile or 2 down the road, 2 miles down the road.
So next to Grand Junction is a little town called Pullman. Most will have to go through Pullman to get to this area. The gas station, there's 2 gas stations in town. Not the Marathon, but the other one,
The little small one.
They have bundles of firewood for only $4.99.
Yeah, so if you see the gas station, pick up your firewood before you get here. Unless you want to just get yours here, but you can get them at the gas station as well. So, yeah. Little tip for you. You guys, we are here for one night, and look at all the stuff that we have. You would think we had learned our lesson last year, when we stayed in a tiny house, but no. And I'd say this one is even tinier than the one we stayed in before.
Yes.
But we literally filled up. Look at this. Like the entire floor is full of our shit. It's all your fault.
Oopsies.
Okay, it's snack time. Our plan for the night. First,
Snacks.
snack. Then we're gonna get the fire going outside. At least we're gonna try to.
We're gonna try it without freezing. It is so cold. What is?
Oh my god, it is freezing outside.
It's 21 degrees out, but the wind chill is.
Oh, it's very windy today. Yeah, so we're gonna try to.
Yeah, negative 34. It feels.
What?
No, hold on. It feels like 7 degrees. Sorry.
Yeah, so we're going to try to get the fire going, and then cook dinner, which we got some brats, potato salad, macaroni salad.
That's basically it.
Yeah,
But
we got that. And if we can't get the fire started, we're gonna have to cook it in here. So, fingers crossed we get started. We just wanted to tell you, I think, because did we say that you wouldn't have service or...
Well, it's advertised as no cell.
Yeah, no cell, no Wi-Fi.
Yep. And no
as a way to
TVs.
disconnect, but she has Sprint.
I
have
Sprint.
Verizon, and as of
Right now,
like we've been here what, like an hour, and we both have service. So
I have LTE too.
yeah,
for
I've been able to like upload a story to Instagram. I've been able to send a picture, text message, like so. As of now, we have service. So just that little bit of information might be helpful to somebody. So we'll let you know if that changes. If for some reason it starts to get spotty or bad.
Sorry.
Time to start the fire.
Fire pit. One fire stick between the woods. Light the fire stick wrapper at each arrow.
Oh.
What are you doing, Amy?
Okay. So we tried to do the fire and the wood just wouldn't catch on. So
Plan B.
yeah, we're going to just cook our brats inside. So this place does include dishes and like pots and pans. Has a stove top here. Does not have a microwave or an oven, but it's got 2-burner stove top, dishes. So we're just gonna cook our dinner inside. We're gonna keep an eye on the fire though, because if it does happen to get going, we do have some more stuff. So maybe we'll at least be able to do some more. So hopefully.
Let's hope that we can eat soon. Because we actually did not eat a lunch. We just did some snacking. So now we're just hoping to get dinner here soon. But I did get the fire started. I'll take credit for that. Even though Amy's gonna try to take credit.
I was not. I wasn't even outside when you guys started. Oh, and by the way, we're having cheddar brats. I think we might have already told you what we're having for dinner, but we're having cheddar brats, potato salad, macaroni salad,
And that's it.
oh, and we got alcohol we're gonna try eventually.
Yes.
But yeah, time
The
to be
battery's
Chef
almost
Amy.
dead.
So, I mean, if it wasn't bad enough that Tiffany just tried to break my toe.
I dropped the chair.
Tiffany dropped the chair on my foot. And then I just tried to
Try to grab it like that.
It's so hot. We made some hot chocolate. Then we got these cute little like marshmallow toppers. So yeah.
We're gonna let the cups cool down for a little bit.
Yeah. But basically, we're kind of just winding down. We had our dinner. We never got to go out and make s'mores because the fire just never really picked up.
No, it
But
didn't.
we're going to have our hot chocolate and
Wind down, play a game.
play sequence. And then that's gonna be it. It's like 10:30, I think.
Yeah, oh, so almost 11.
Oh, it's almost 11 o'clock, so we're just
Way past our bedtime, but
in
we're
our
gonna
PJs
stay.
for the most part. Mine are underneath here. Okay, we're gonna drink our hot chocolate once it cools down and we can actually pick the cups up.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please excuse us. We just woke up. You couldn't tell.
So one thing that I do want to mention are the beds. If you travel together with a friend, especially like girls that travel together, I know, the beds are big enough for you to share a bed, so you don't
Yeah.
have to get a 2-bed.
Yeah, we booked it too because we weren't sure how big the beds were gonna be. But I think you could easily make one work and then you'll have the much better view. I mean, it was comfortable to have our own beds, but I think if you come here and you want that pretty like big window view, you could easily make the one bed work.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had a really good time last night. We just kind of hung out, played on our phones a little bit. I know it says to disconnect, but we had internet, so we played on our phones. We played, what was the game called? We played
Sequence.
We played Sequence. We had some hot chocolate, so it was fun. And now
We are
time
headed
to
home.
leave. Yeah, Tiffany's got to go to work. I got to drive home. So thank you guys for watching. And if you are interested in staying in this location or any of the other ones, I'll leave a link to the Getaway House website in the description.
Bye.
Bye guys.